Yan. How to make a NG in just a minute.
YouTube.
Milling 101. Banis.
YouTube sensation ba yan?
Milling 101.
First, how to make a music.
Banis. Ito mo, nakikita ko sa
After
video.
you make an NG, scratch your head.
Scratch your head and say sorry.
Sorry.
And go to the admin and pass your paper in incident report. Check and always check.
Double check.
And double check.
So why you said always check. But now NG? Why? Tanong sa kanya ni Yushi. Sabi mo, incident report, check. Bakit yun NG? Ano sagot mo, incident